Hi, I'm Mike Kelton, and today we're going to be working on a GE side-by-side refrigerator. The issues are it'll freeze up every couple of weeks. So there's something going on with the defrost cycle. Let's check it out. Now, first things first, make sure before you do anything to unplug the refrigerator for safety. Alright, on this particular model we have 3 sensors we need to test. One's for the defrost sensor, one's for the freezer, and one's for the refrigerator. The refrigerator one that on this particular model is up in the left-hand corner. It's actually back behind a plastic bracket, not too hard to find, but I have it in ice water right now. The defrost one sits up at top of this evaporator coil. I have it in ice water. And then the freezer one sits down here in the left hand corner. As you can see, I have all 3 of them in ice water, so they all should be reading the same ohms. And I'm going to show y'all how to ohm out all of these at one time. This is the motherboard of the refrigerator. So some refrigerators have a defrost timer that looks like a relay, a multi-relay, but these ain't one of those refrigerators that take one of those. The motherboard actually is in control of the defrost cycle and all of its refrigerating functions. So here at the top left corner, we're going to have these sensors come in right here. And what we do is we're going to go from this blue and white wire to this one, then from the blue and white wire to this one, and then to that one. So this one would be, which is the brown wire, is going to be the defrost sensor. The next one to it will be the freezer sensor, and the next one to that will be the refrigerator sensor. And they all are in ice water right now, and they all should be reading the same. So we're going to go from blue and white wire to the brown wire. And you can see on my meter I got it set to 200K, and it's reading 4.1 on the resistance. Next, we're going to test from the blue and white to the number 3 slot. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. And we should have some resistance. It's going to be 7.2. Not looking good for any sensors. Then we're going to go from blue and white to the pin number 2. See how we did that? We're getting 16.2. So all these sensors are reading different. That's not good. So let me show y'all something on Amazon here. They sell a 4-pack, all of the same resistors for $13.97. So I couldn't look up what the resistance was or supposed to be at 32 degrees, but I'm pretty sure they're all supposed to be the same. They're the same resistor. And here's that pack if y'all want to get that. But I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to scroll down and buy a new kit. The sensors, the defrost thermostat, and the defroster itself. Alright, so we're going to test the defrost thermostat next and the defrost heater. And what we're going to do is go to our meter, put it on 200K, and we're going to go to this orange wire and to the blue wire coming out into the plug here. And we should have 22 resistance, or pretty close to that. Y'all see that? So this is going through the defrost thermostat and the defrost heater. So if that was open, then we would have a bad, either a bad switch or a bad heater. And so this is the heater part. This is what's reading 22 ohms right here. If you were to take these wires off, it would read 22 ohms. And back behind my bowl of water here, there's the defrost switch or defrost thermostat. So when we ohmed out orange and blue, we went through the switch and we went through the defrost heater. So those are both closed, which is good. So it turns out that my sensors are the problem. And I'm going to definitely order the sensors. I'm thinking about go ahead and ordering, just because I have it open and everything, just have it to go ahead and replace the defrost thermostat and the defrost heater for 26 bucks. I mean, that seems like a good deal. And I'll post a video of when I get the parts in, and I'll put them in for y'all guys. This is Mike Kelton. I just want to say thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, maybe give me a like, maybe even subscribe, maybe even comment, just say hi. I appreciate it, man. Y'all have a good one.